Welcome to Kids Mind, where we learn, we laugh, and we explore. You can follow us in all our social media handles at GBS TV Africa, or send your SMS to our number, which is 21144. I'm your teacher, Teacher Paul. This is where we learn about Kenyan Sign Language. Last lesson, we learned about how to sign alphabet from A to D. And now, before we continue, I have a question for you kids. Do you remember how to sign alphabets from A to D? If you forgot, let us practice again. So we start from A. We say A like this. You make sure you are using your palm like this. Then you fold the four fingers and the thumb in this position. You say A. The next letter is B. B, you use your palm. Then the thumb, you just fold it like that. So that is letter B. Next letter is letter C. You use your palm again, then you curve your fingers like this. You make sure you can see the space like this. Then this is what, or this is how we sign letter C. Now, next is letter D. Letter D, you use again your palm, then the three fingers you fold them on top of the thumb finger, remaining with the extended index finger facing up. So this is how you sign letter D. So, kids, do you remember now? Can we now continue with our lesson? Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes. So let's continue from where we stopped last lesson. So the next letter is letter E. Letter A, you just fold your fingers in this shape. Okay, all fingers are folded like this. All right, just only the thumb finger, which is under the other fingers like this. So this is how we sign letter E. Have you understood? Let us repeat again. E. E. Next letter is letter F. Just use your palm and then you fold the extended index finger with the thumb finger like that. Again, F. Again, F. Next letter is letter G. Letter G, you use the thumb finger and the extended index finger, and then the other fingers you fold them, then you do like this. This is how we sign letter G. G, okay? That is letter G. The last letter we are going to learn today is letter H. Letter H, you do like this. These two fingers, okay, look at my hands the way it is. You fold these two and the thumb finger, all right? Then you turn your palm like this. Only the middle finger and the extended index finger together, all right? Yes, so this is how you sign letter H. So, Let us now repeat signing from E to H. Ready? We start. E, E, F, F, G, G, H, H, again, E, F, G, H. So that is the end of today's lesson. We meet again in the next lesson just here at GBS TV Africa. Or send your SMS to our number 21144. I have been your teacher, Teacher Paul. Bye bye, kids.